Hi, my name is Danilo and I will be briefly presenting Hacker Design, my Master of Science dissertation on mobile graphic interface customization of the iOS platform. Interfaces have become one of the most important aspects of our everyday life. In a recent study by Deloitte, we check our phones more than 74 times a day. According to Comscore, the global use of media on mobile devices grew up to 111% since 2013. So, in this scenario, where a vast diversity of people is using the smartphone as the main computer in their lives, why do we have to stick to the same graphic interfaces? In an archaeological study of graphic interface history, our research notes that customization options in the desktop operating systems were always limited to small options like the accent colors or background images. Major customizations, although, were available by using third-party software like flavors and window blinds. The iOS mobile operating system, unlike Android, is especially closed for customizations, even by regular software. So, to customize the iOS graphic interface, one must hack the system. A hacker, according to Eric Raymond, is a person who enjoys exploring the details of programmable systems and how to stretch their capabilities, as opposed to most users who prefer to learn only the minimum necessary. Another view of the subject is the one explored by Richard Tim, where the hacker originally meant an inventive type, someone creative and unconventional, usually involved in a technical feat of legerdemain, a person who saw doors where others saw walls, or built bridges that others thought were mere planks on which to walk into shark-filled seas. McKinsey's work in A Hacker Manifesto explores the idea of a hacker as a class. In his words, hackers are a class, but in an abstract class, a class as yet to hack itself into manifest existence as itself. So, how customization on iOS interface happens? The most common answer is by a technique known as jailbreaking. In a jailbreak, hackers take advantage of a vulnerability of certain iOS versions to edit system files, including the ones responsible for the graphic user interface. In the core of the jailbreak lives Cydia, an app developed to install and manage customizations, pieces of code called tweaks. These tweaks are developed by the hacker community, sometimes available for free. Cydia does the job of indexing tweaks in repositories and checking for compatibility. For our research, we explored tweaks to customize the graphic interface and compiled in a prototype, an iPhone 4 running iOS 7. The tweaks we have used change little things from the mobile carrier name to exploring a whole new control center. By combining tweaks, the user can achieve a personalized experience, more suitable for his own use. The desire for customization from the hacker and modder communities aligns perfectly with the prior discussed definition of hackers. Although this research focuses on mobile graphic interfaces, we believe hacker design is a rich field of discussion awaiting to be explored. Hacker design isn't about the modifications of an artifact, but exploring the possibilities halted on the design process. As researchers, we'll keep further explorations of this theme, pursuing how design community can benefit from the discoveries. Thank you for your time, and any questions, feel free to write us at the email on the screen.